Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a good day. So in this video I'm going to speak and do the practice of English speaking. And so currently I've been speaking on the cue card, but in some time I do choose random topics and speak about that. So in today's video as well I'm going to do the same thing, like choosing a cue card for speaking in choosing a topic basically for speaking in this video, and that is a good thing because sometimes I feel like demotivated. So at that time I watch basically movies, and that is like a powerful way to having some sort of motivation coming from the movies as well. So I have seen a lot of motivation video for achieving my dream and goals. So for that, the movies name are Maji the Mountain Man. I have watched that, and particularly that movie is really uh, I think that somebody cannot believe the power of goals and dream would be. And the same video I have seen in a different movie like 12th Fail. So today I've watched 12th Fail movie. That is really inspiration movies for all of youngsters who want to pass the UPSC exam. And so yeah, this is a great movie which I've watched today. And so in this video as well I'm going to talk about like this movie. And so let's jump into this video without wasting our time. So if I talk about the movie, that is a good movie basically for a person who want to clear any government exam, because a person who is applying and doing the exam, basically he is also coming from a mediocre background where he have chosen a thing like he want to only work for honestly in his job. So he want to basically get power for who's over getting bribe, taking bribe. Just he want to do the action against him, and he want a nation without bribe. So that is his basically motto is. And he just saw his motto to the recruiter of the government agency. So after getting a lot of attempts in UPSC exam, so after that he have able to clear that. And there is some sort of love story as well, where that is also fascinating, and both of them are getting selected in UPSC exam. That will be game changing for them, and they have practices without getting the situation comparing and just nowadays we are just doing making excuse. So they don't make any kind of excuse without of situation whatever they get. Like they are working in the middle of the day, and the night they are trying to study. So that is a fascinating journey for them. And I have found out very difficulties myself uploading videos in YouTube. But after getting that situation, and people's who are working for civil services, so that is a kind of motivation, because how much hard they are working for studies. And there is very lot of competition. If your comparison to 10 lakh aspirants, there is only 1,000 are clear. So that is kind of you can say competition is, and still they are believing they can do. And so yeah, this is quite eye opening for me. And so yeah, people are still doing that, and they are working without thinking anything getting written, because they want to do it, whether they will succeed or not. This is the willpower. And basically at the last moment, who is going to succeed, who can able to believe in himself and work very hard day without getting don't escaping the day basically. And so yeah, this is the movie which I've watched, and you can also watch it. There is online platform where you find it where free of cost. So yeah, this is very like amazing journey that he have. And I just also want to like that is for the believe in yourself. Basically sometimes you feel like demotivated or stressful, like in that time you can watch it and you will get a lot of motivation from that things. Basically you need to use it as a motivation in your life and then restart it, because in that particular movie he has also got rejected multiple times, like 3 to 4 times, but at the last time he has succeeded. That is the basically belief he has. So on this note I am completing this video. I hope you found it helpful. If this you found it helpful, so don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye, have a good day.